Hey guys, I just got this vacuum bag kit for traveling and I just wanted to take it out and show it to you. So it comes with this cool pump right in the box, and you can see it has just the USB-C at the end, but it also comes with an attachment so you can go from the USB-C to from the USB to the USB-C. You see it has a nice rubber seal there, and it comes with this nice case for the pump to carry it around in. And it comes with three different sizes, which I just put one of my travel blankets in here so you could see how it compresses it there. I was pretty surprised. It worked pretty quickly and pulled out a lot of the air. It really flattened it out a lot. The size that I'm holding here is a 40 by 40. It comes with three of these. Then it also comes with three of the 40 by 50. So that's this one. And three of the 40 by 60. That's this one. You know, and yes, the other thing I wanted to say too that I forgot to mention in the beginning is that after using the pump, like you put the cap on, of course, but you take it off, it does a good job at keeping the air sealed out there. So, it has a little kind of backflow check valve there, that pink thing. So, even if you don't have the cap on, it keeps it so you don't get air just letting your stuff inflate again or blow back up. So you don't get air back in the bag. So, really cool, and it seemed to work really good.